with a population of less than 1,216,000 inhabitants, on an area of 7,924 square kilometers, Friuli Venezia Giulia might be described as a small land, but different aspects of this territory show its enormous potential and why it stands out of the crowd. Firstly, the GDP growth rate and the increasing export amount of the region are both higher than the national average. This is due to a regional economic system that is based on distinctive sector specializations, which contribute to the creation of a tangible added value of the whole system. From smart health, which includes biomedicine, biotechnology, and bioinformatics, to agri-food, digital technologies, metalworking, home system, maritime technologies, culture, creativity, and tourism. Furthermore, the region offers excellence in the research and development and innovation field, also as a result of the highly skilled workforce that meets the needs of the labor market. The wide range of regional incentives, tax breaks, subsidized financing, and the strategic geographical position in the heart of Europe complete the overall picture, showing that this is a land with a broad spectrum of investment opportunities. To ensure greater mobility and access with bordering countries and to confirm the region's key role in linking the Mediterranean to Central and Eastern Europe, an extensive infrastructure system has been developed, featuring a motorway network connected to the Austrian and Slovenian ones, over 466 kilometers of railway lines, an airport, 4 logistic hubs and 3 ports, including the free port of Trieste, unique in the Italian legal system, being it the only free international port in Europe. Furthermore, it is the leading Italian port for total tonnage and train traffic, and the leading oil port in the Mediterranean. Additionally, Friuli Venezia Giulia has a smart and innovative essence, confirmed by the fact that it is the only region in Italy that has been classified as a strong innovator by the Regional Innovation Scoreboard in 2019. This success is due to the continuous increase of public and private resources deployed in this sector, the notable amount of workforce related to research and development, and the significant number of innovative startups operating in Friuli Venezia Giulia. In fact, all of these 3 indicators are above the Italian national average, showing a region that is keen on fully embracing scientific innovation. These elements are surrounded and enhanced by a science and innovation system made of 3 universities, 4 science and technology hubs, 4 certified business incubators, and 5 international research institutes, an encompassing scientific network of excellence. The remarkable efforts of this network has brought to the expansion and growth of the life sciences industry, a sector that counts about 5,000 employees working in 150 companies, with a total turnover of about 900 million euros and an export of about 315 million euros. The major partner of the region in life sciences is CBM, the Regional Smart Health Cluster, which builds relationships among all the actors in this field. CBM is at the BioDigital 2020, presenting 5 projects in the fields of AI, e-health, IoT, biomedicine, green technologies, and in vitro diagnostics. In this broad and wide-ranging offer of settlement and investment opportunities, the role of Agenzia Lavoro and Sviluppolmpresa is of guiding potential investors and companies, providing comprehensive and customized information about incentives, tax benefits, and any type of facilitating measure. For more information, please consult our social media pages and our websites at investnfvg.it and at lavorimpresa.fvg.it.